Oh my gosh. Look at him, guys. He's holding his pacifier para hindi mahulog. That's good, Wesley. Kasi kumakain si Mommy. It's so cute. Ayan na, kumakain ako. Tapos na yung food ko. So, it's our second day today. Yeah, second day. Kahapon, first day pa namin kasi dito na kami mga May 5 ng umaga. Tapos ang anak ko, May 5 ng hapon at 5 p.m. So 5:55 si Wayland. 5:52 na. So ayan si baby. Dito ko siya nilagay, guys, kasi mas maabot ko siya pag doon kasi. Tapos parang maano siya ba? Parang anong tawag dyan eh? Parang ay nahulog. Mabulunan siya. Hindi ko siya maabot kaagad. So dito ko lang siya nilagay. Kasi ang dami pa niyang fluid sa kanyang bibig. Or somewhere sa kanyang... Look who's here. What the heck?
Mommy,
Look
don't
at...
be mad. Tell Mommy life's too short to be mad. Hair grows back. Yeah, don't be mad.
Guys, look at Wesley's.
He's so
hair.
handsome. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, his hair looks so adorable.
Honey,
Sorry,
why did
honey.
you do that?
It's hard to do it by yourself.
I
You were
know.
predisposed.
You should ask me. Look at Tom did what out of Wesley's hair. Oh.
Guys, do you think there's anything wrong with a father taking care of a haircut for his boy? Sometimes, you know, it had to be done.
I know, but
Mommy was in the hospital and I couldn't consult with her. You know, it's just one of those things. I had to do it. And it's not easy with a squirmy 2-year-old. They don't like it. I had to bribe him with chocolate, but you know, hair gets in his mouth, so you have to do it quickly. And you can't style it as much as you'd like because he's, you know, it's hard. But
Hi,
now
Wes.
he can see now, right? Can you see now? You can see now? Yeah, you can see
what
now.
happened to your hair, Wesley? I'm so. This is my first time get mad after my delivery.
Hi, good morning, my little love child. Tell Mommy don't be mad. You have a bundle of joy next to me. Life's too short to get angry. It's not healthy to be angry over things like that, Mommy.
I know, but look at what you did
So
to him.
cute.
Oh,
You're
Wesley,
beautiful.
do you like
Say
your hair?
Yes. Say yes, Mommy.
Do you like your hair?
Yes. Say yes.
You miss Mommy? It's 2 nights. 2 nights without Mommy.
2 nights without Mom. He woke up this morning. You know how he kicks? And he goes, Daddy! Yesterday it was Mommy, and then he looked at me and goes, Daddy!
Now he can sleep with you now.
Yeah, he sleeps fine now.
Hi.
He got
Oh,
a
you have
sticker today. He
ID?
was so excited. He's like, Daddy, I got a sticker.
Hello.
Good morning. Let me see your sticker. It's such a good looking sticker. You got your own sticker. You got your... Yeah, Daddy got a sticker. Yeah, you got a
I'm
sticker.
gonna move this.
That's Daddy. That's Wesley.
Okay. Mommy, I just came to get your vitals.
Okay.
Are you breastfeeding bottle or both?
I'm breastfeeding.
Drop a glove. These gloves. Only breast?
Yeah.
Ah, very good.
That's a box.
Come here, Wesley boy. Come on, Mommy. Come to Mommy.
Here, go see Mommy. Give Mommy a kiss and tell her you love your hair.
Aww.
You feel much better.
Got his
Oh, I'm
hair.
gonna try to get your temperature again, Mommy.
Are you still holding?
Let's try one more time. Hi.
Open. It's not doing it. Okay, now close. There we go. Just gotta hit that warm spot, I tell you. 98.6, perfect.
Thank you. Oh, I like your stickers. Okay.
Yeah, she's
Just
like,
like
look,
that.
Daddy's got one.
Wow, let me see. Let me see, can I see? Can I see? Ooh, wow.
Yeah, Daddy.
Daddy,
And Wesley. And Daddy and
thank
Wesley.
you.
Oh, Mom, you're welcome. I was checking for pads and panties, but I see you're
Yeah.
actually pretty good there, so. Pads and panties.
Take a picture. Oops.
Careful, bro.
Okay, sit down, sit down. Sit properly so that you can see your brother. Come on. No, sit properly. You can see your brother?
Okay, you too. I'll check on you a little
Thank
bit
you.
later. Daddy, you drink coffee? Did
No,
you-
I'm okay. Thank you
You
very
sure?
much. Appreciate it.
Okay, if you change your mind, let me know.
Okay, thanks so much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Okay. Hi, baby. Did you take a bath last night?
And this morning.
Oh, wow.
2 baths.
Tingnan
Did
niyo
they
si
do his
Wesley.
hearing test yet?
Not yet.
Not yet?
So we have to wait and then we can go.
Oh, say I love you,
He's
brother.
crying. What happened? I think he's happy to see you, baby. Hey, Kuya.
Yeah, he knows he's brother. He's like, there's my brother.
Look at Wesley, guys. He's so cute. Hi.
Wesley. Wesley.
Go, go. Show
Wesley.
your teeth. Oh, he's
Wesley.
kissing the baby.
Oh.
He's crying. He's a Kuya.
Oh.
He's so cute. Gusto niya.
Oh.
Gusto niya kagay. Ay!
Oh, look, he's kissing him.
Oh!
Oh. Okay, careful.
He's just kissing.
There you go. He's got a cold. I don't want his snot to like go in his
I
mouth
know.
or something.
Wanna hold? Ay.
Just be careful. He doesn't know how to hold him.
I know.
Okay.
I'm not gonna let him
Well,
hold
it's
it.
just making sure.
He's happy to see his baby brother. You're gonna be your kuya now. Look at how happy he is.
It's
He's
your
not
brother.
even jealous.
Yeah, it's your
He's
baby.
not crying.
You're gonna love the baby and protect your baby.
He's-
Yeah, good boy. Just don't put your dirty fingers by his mouth, okay, bro? Didn't wash your hands.
Oh.
Oh.
Ay.
Don't put your fingers in his mouth.
Okay, can you put sanitizer on his
Yeah, here, let's
hands?
put sanitizer. Come here. Let's sanitize. Oh, come here. Let's put some sanitizer on your hands.
Willow was like, okay, brother.
Let me see this hand.
I wonder what William's reaction. For sure.
Sweet and loving.
Huh?
He'll be sweet and loving.
Yeah, because he's so sweet. He's so excited to see Waylon.
He'll be, hi, baby.
I know.
You're cool. Hi, baby. You're cool.
Daddy Tom knows or know already what is
Here's my
William's
bulldozer
reaction.
impression. Hi, baby. I'm your Kuya. It's me, Kuya. Kuya William. I love you, baby. Oh,
ganyan.
you're so handsome, baby. I
Yeah.
love my
He's so
baby.
cute.
Here, sit.
Sit down properly, okay?
Careful. Okay, but careful, bro. Yeah.
Show them your sticker. Show them your sticker.
Yeah,
Daddy
because
too.
you got one like the daddy got one. See? Right there. and yeah, Wesley got one too.
Hi.
Oh no!
Oh, no more paspaya.
Oh, yeah, I can wash it.
Mm.
Ugh, I can wash it.
Mm. Mm. What? Don't touch his head. Don't touch his head. Okay, come on. Huh? He keep kissing it. You love your brother? You love your brother? Huh? You need to be gentle, huh? Oh. Kiss mommy. How about mommy? You kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Ah, you want to hold? No, you can't hold.
You're just a little bit too little, bro. Just a little bit too little.
Ah, you
Oh, you
want?
want Daddy to touch you? Oh, he's so pretty. Look at how handsome the little man is. I've got two handsome little men in the room at the same time. Oh, you want Daddy to kiss? Okay. Daddy love you. Give me a kiss. Yeah, baby. Want Daddy to hold?
You want you to hold.
Okay, come here, little bird. You give Mommy a hug.
Okay, hold on, hold on.
Okay, we're so
No,
sorry.
no, no.
We're so sorry about your penis. Yeah. Don't grab, don't grab, don't grab. Oh, hold on.
Wesley, how was it? Is it yummy? Sige daw, try. Yummy.
Are you thinking about eating donuts someday? Bro, get your foot out from the couch so when you fall, you know.
Sit down, sit properly. No, that's enough. That's enough. Just sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Do you like your haircut? I don't like it.
Squishy and slimy.
What are you doing?
He says, I don't care about being dirty. I don't care. Oh no, you're taking the other glovey off. This keeps your fingers warm, little bro.
Guys, I'm trying not to get mad, but a little bit. I'm in number 4. You know that, honey.
So just,
Seriously.
Mommy's very angry at Daddy. And it's an anger that she can't let go. She has to keep bringing it up.
I can't move
But
on.
I can't undo what's been done. So you have to move on. And think of this little angel in my arms. He needs a happy mommy with good vibes.
It's Mother's Day, yes, and tomorrow. And this is what happened. I think this is Tom's gift for me.
This is my gift for you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. The best gift.
She's really mad at me, guys. Wes, don't jump. Stop doing that.
Okay naman yung haircut, but hindi na natin sinusuot. So finally guys, napasa ni Waylon yung hearing test kasi kahapon yung left side lang yung napasa, yung right side is na-fail. So it happened daw talaga kasi yung fluid ng bata hindi pa nakalabas. Wala pa siyang 24 hours kahapon. So kagabi hindi ako nakatulog, search ako ng search. Grabe yung kaba ko. Kasi diba, sino ba namang hindi kakabahan yan? So finally ngayon, kakatapos na lang niya sa second hearing test niya, napasa naman niya kahit it took like almost an hour. But it's okay.
No, don't climb up.
Don't climb up.
I know, you wanna see baby? Where's your brother?
And ngayon, uuwi na kami. After this, baka yung doktor ay yung nurse punta dito para uuwi na kami. I'm so happy.
No, you can't hold him right now.
But lipstick muna tayo.
A little bit later.
Naghanda na ako sa mga gamit namin. Para ready na. Oh, by the way, you can put the stroller there first because the nurse will come with us outside. She said that you can park in front of the door, but later when she
Later.
talks.
Okay, you can get down. So they won't let him come out in the stroller.
No. Just like the last time. Remember? That's dirty clothes.
You can ride out in it.
Yeah. I will. Hold on. Ayan na siya. Tulog na tulog siya. Kanina he keeps waking up. Kasi yung ano siguro yung nilagay sa tenga at saka dito is parang anong tawag dyan? Malamig. University, why did you take it out? Huh? I don't know. What did you eat? Huh? Huh? Oh, you're drinking that? Chocolate milk? Huh? Do you like it?
That's
Oh,
Daddy's
water.
Your chocolate milk.
Oh. Thank you. Mommy don't need it. Oh, no. Give it to Daddy.
That was just to wipe your fingers. You're drinking the chocolate milk. Yeah, that's your drink. You want
Okay.
some more?
No, thank you.
No. Here, no, please don't.
Uy, lo, nasuko ka. Nasuko ka, nak. Alam niyo guys, ito yung damit ni Wesley dati. Magagamit pa niya. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh no. Sisi. Yan mo, manggagayan sa good. Hindi ni maigo ni mo eh. Too big for Waylon. Oh. Galit na galit siya. It's okay. Okay. I know, right? Nilalamig pala siya. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. Nilalamig man yung batang yan. Nilalamig man na among baby na. Nga naman na. Say hi! Ay, tingin siya sa camera, oh. Wait. Oh. That's good. Much better kung mag-spit ka, baby. Para malabas na yung fluid mo. Oh, no. You're okay. Ay, pogi man na mong baby, no? Nga naman na mong baby na. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? Huh? What's wrong with you? Oh. I think cold siya. See, I think cold talaga. Yay, uwi na kami. Uwi na kami. Ayan. Itindog. Ala, matindog. Buhok. I don't grab my hair. You can use this one. Ayun si Wesley at saka si Tom load na sa ano tawag dyan, sa mga gamit. Nilamig talaga siya. Diyan baba. Lagay ko muna natin sa sa crib. So, uwi na kami. Wala na. Bye-bye. Hindi na babalik dito. And si Wesley boy. Ang cute naman na eh. So, makatulog na ako ng maayos sa bahay. Diba?
Okay, she's right behind us.
Okay.
Little one.
So, we're going home now. Oops. Last 2 years, I said I'm not gonna come back here anymore.
Huh?
Last 2 years, I said that I'm not coming back here anymore.
And you came back.
Yeah, I came back.
This your last time now?
What?
Is this your last time now?
I think so, but I have 3 boys, so I think I need 1 girl. 1 girl. I'm just joking.
Who said you're gonna have another girl? Who said you're gonna have a girl?
I know, right?
You might have all boys.
That's funny. Hi, look at him. He's so cute. Say hi. We're going home na, guys. And ayun si Waylon, oh. Ayun siya. Natakot ako sa car seat niya. Ay, gusto niya magpa-camera. Say hi. I still have my phone. Ay, Wesley. Dati din nung nag-car seat si Wesley, first time niya sumakay ng sasakyan, para akong natatakot. Yeah, bubo. Hadan. Ayan si Waylon. Tulog na tulog pa rin. Nilalamig siya. I think it's his cold. Ayan. Super liit niya ay. What happened? Yeah, it's fine. Uh-oh. You okay? Waylon, we're home. Huh? You're so sleepy.